What's up, y'all? When I say memes, what do you think about? Meme, like social media, trending, popular, community. Well, let's talk a little bit more about memes. Memes have become more than just jokes. Sometimes you think about it as something that's like crazy looking, whether it's on the internet, whatever. But they're more than just jokes. They're shaping the culture and the way we see things about the world. And it's not just about funny pictures. It's a cultural shift that's even impacting the world of finance. Let's talk about it.
1 million Bitcoin, crypto, and these altcoins, these meme coins.
We back. So let's talk about it in cryptocurrency. Now in the past, it was all about serious business and complex technology, which it still is. But lately, things have gotten a lot more interesting in the world of meme coins. It's not your typical investments. It's fueled by the same kind of energy that makes internet trends go viral. Now with meme coins, it's less about the traditional financial analysis and it's more about the community, humor, and relatability. There's just something about it with people that they can resonate it. Now, before we dive deeper, I want to emphasize the importance of safety in the world of crypto. It's crucial to always make sure you do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you afford to lose. Now, many projects, especially those in the meme coin space, they're highly speculative, boom bust, just like that, and it's over. So you have to be very careful. Now, I want to bring my friend Earl in. I reached out to him a while back, and he's ready to share his opinion. Earl, what's up, man?
What's up, Crypto Rock?
What's up with the blazer?
Yeah, man. I gotta be right for the people, you know. Gotta make sure I look right. First time on the block.
Okay.
Shout out to Crypto Rock on the block.
Those glasses real?
No, glasses are not real.
Oh, they're not real. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, don't tell me about it. I just thought it made me look a little bit more professional, Crypto Rock.
You look all right then, okay.
Yeah, but thanks for having me, Crypto Rock. I'm excited to talk about LIQQ. And you know, first of all, I want to give you a shout out because you know you got me into these meme coins and specifically LIQQ. And you know, I'm very excited about LIQQ. I really like what's behind LIQQ, what it stands for, you know, the whole reason and all that. Like I said, I'm excited to talk about it. I got my notes and everything, so you know, let's go.
Okay, well, I appreciate that, Earl. I'm glad I got you interested. I'm glad you paid attention. Sounds like it's paying off.
I've been paying attention, Crypto Rock. I'm telling you, I've been paying attention.
And it sounds like LIQQ is pretty promising for you, huh?
Let me say, Crypto Rock, LIQQ is more than just a meme coin. It's all about community. It's a
so you're gonna talk about LIQQ?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it. You gonna allow me to do that? Yeah, because I thought that's why you brought me on here.
My bad.
Okay. So, you know, like I was saying, it was founded by a couple of traders, and what they decided to do was to turn what some would consider a life-changing event that might be just like terrible for them. They decided to use it as a way to bounce back and show resilience. And you know, they launched on pumped out fun and jumped out like real quick, like it was really blast off. You know, and 8 months later, they still here, you know? So what the whole thing is, instead of dwelling on the losses, what they decided to do was turn it into a token that, and a lot of people, you know, it resonated with a lot of people. You know, being liquidated is not something that anybody wants to happen, especially when you're not practicing the right financial risk. You know, you got to make sure you don't do anything more than you can afford to. You know what I'm saying? But I think most people out there understand that. Yeah, you got my graphics ready, Crypto Rock?
I got you. Go ahead.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Now, number one, I don't have much, Crypto Rock, because I know you got more. So whatever I talk about, I know you can finish. Now, what I love about it is just like the devs are active in the community, and you know they're always looking for ways to get back. Then what's cool, the other thing is they have this character, it's a playable character on this online gaming community called Nifty Island. You know, I'm not even a gamer. I never even heard of Nifty Island before this, but you know, shout out to LIQQ, because now I heard about Nifty Island, but there's a lot of people out there. LIQQ has this character on Nifty Island, and so, you know, I just think that that's one of the things.
So let me ask you, Earl, do you think that kind of gamification can really bring in new investors?
Yeah, I mean, anybody who's a gamer and if they're not in the cryptocurrency, I think it's a way. It's like a no-brainer. If they're in the cryptocurrency, they might not even, or they're not in the cryptocurrency, they might not even realize. And then there you go, it's an opportunity, and now you got another group, segment of people, population of people who you can get involved. And then, you take it back to that community thing again.
That community thing, of course.
Anybody who's on that Nifty Island, they're about community, and LIQQ is about community. So I think that's a cool thing.
That's a good point, because while we're at it, can you just go ahead and tell me a little bit about their long-term goal? Do they have any plans beyond the meme coin aspect?
As far as the long-term crypto rock, I know you got all that information.
Of course.
I've been watching your videos. So, I'm going to let you talk about that. But those were the things that kind of grabbed me. I'm really excited for the growth of LIQQ, just because where they came from and where they are right now, it's like not a lot of meme coins, like they don't even last 2-3 days sometimes. That's one of the things you got to be careful about, because they really don't have intentions of going anywhere. But this one does. It's been gaining traffic. So you got to shout out to them boys over there at LIQQ. I gotta give them props. They're listed on CoinMarketCap. They're listed on CoinGecko. That makes it official too. And then most recently, I saw that LIQQ. Whew. They really about their community. So yeah, you can buy your LIQQ on Asset Dash also. So yeah, it's a lot going on with LIQQ, and I'm excited about it. Yeah, one of the things I like on Asset Dash Crypto Rock is that Discover section where you can see what the whale's buying. I think that's pretty cool. LIQQ, Asset Dash, it's a lot going on. I think that might be all Crypto Rock.
All right, I'll take it from here, Earl. Also, of course, granted, is Jupiter Exchange Strictlist. It's a popular DEX, of course, on Solana. And what that does is that significantly increases the visibility and the trading opportunities. You can get LIQQ from Moonshot. Now, I have another video where I talked about LIQQ on Moonshot. So as the community grows, everything else grows. You can always join the Telegram or Discord, become a part of the community, engage, have conversations, jump in when the VCs are happening, and just become a part of LIQQ. Get you some LIQQ. Get LIQQ, don't get licked. You know how that works. Before I go, I gotta give a big shout out to the artists, man. The artists on LIQQ, Broke Soul. Check out this art. All the artwork. Shout out to the artist Broke Soul. He does all the artwork for Blue Blob. Check out his X account. You'll be able to find more about him. Shout out to Broke Soul.
Yeah, I know the crypto market can be very volatile.
I think they know that.
Yeah.
I already told them that.
I know you know Crypto Rock, but I gotta let the people know. I gotta do like how you do
it. Do your thing. Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Always do your own research. Make sure you practicing your proper due diligence and do what you know you're supposed to. But it's very risky. But big risk, big payout, big risk, big reward. So you just gotta be able to do what you gotta do.
That is true, my friend, and I couldn't agree more. It's important to be responsible with your investments. Y'all, shout out to Earl for joining us.
So you just not gonna call me Uncle on Crypto Rock? I accepted it. It's all good. Hey, listen, I appreciate you for having me on the show, Crypto Rock. Appreciate you for having me on the show. I know we'll do again, Crypto Rock on the block.
And to everyone watching, remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep exploring the possibilities.
If you haven't, you need to go get some LIQQ. LIQQ is on Solana. You can use Phantom Wallet. I know this, Crypto Rock. You can use Asset Dash to get to it also. You know, you can use several wallets. You just have to know how to do it. And I think if you watch Crypto Rock's videos, he'll tell you how to get there. But yeah, I'm excited about LIQQ. So I think LIQQ will be one that'll do well. Not financial advice. Yeah, and I'm still waiting on that video. I know you're busy, Crypto Rock, but you know, I'm gonna keep watching your videos. But yeah, we still gotta get that video done.
Video?
Yeah. But I'm ready whenever you ready.
I got you, Earl.
You know?
Thank you for coming on.
But I know you're busy, so
we're gonna do that video.
No rush.
For sure.
Do your thing. Shout out to the people, y'all. It's your boy Earl. Appreciate y'all for joining. Appreciate y'all for joining Earl and Crypto Rock on For Crypto Culture, the block. On the block.
Go get you some LIQQ.